How to improve your vision naturally by discovering the top 6 vitamins that are essential for your eye health. Your eyes are complex organs that need many different vitamins and nutrients to function properly. Common eye conditions, such as cataracts, glaucoma, macular degeneration, and dry eyes, can affect your vision and quality of life. Some of these conditions are linked to aging, genetics, or chronic diseases, but some of them can also be prevented or delayed by eating a healthy diet that supports your eye health. So let's find out what are the top 6 vitamins that you need for your eyes and where to get them from. 1. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is one of the most important vitamins for your eye health. It helps maintain a clear cornea, which is the outer layer of your eye that protects it from infections and injuries. It also helps produce a pigment called rhodopsin, which allows you to see in low-light conditions. Vitamin A deficiency can lead to night blindness, dry eyes, or even blindness in severe cases. Vitamin A is found in animal foods, such as liver, eggs, dairy products, and fish oil. You can also get vitamin A from plant foods that contain beta-carotene, a type of carotenoid that your body can convert into vitamin A. Beta-carotene is found in orange and yellow fruits and vegetables, such as carrots, sweet potatoes, mangoes, and apricots. 2. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is another essential vitamin for your eye health. It is a powerful antioxidant that protects your eyes from free radical damage caused by exposure to sunlight, pollution, or smoking. It also helps your body make collagen, a protein that gives structure and strength to your eye tissues. Vitamin C may also lower your risk of developing cataracts and macular degeneration by preventing oxidative stress in your lens and retina. Vitamin C is found in many fruits and vegetables, especially citrus fruits, berries, kiwis, peppers, broccoli, and kale. 3. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin that also acts as an antioxidant for your eyes. It protects the fatty acids in your cell membranes from oxidation and inflammation. It may also help prevent or slow down the progression of cataracts and macular degeneration by reducing oxidative stress in your lens and retina. Vitamin E is found in nuts, seeds, oils, avocados, spinach, and wheat germ. 4. Zinc. Zinc is a mineral that plays a vital role in your eye health. It helps transport vitamin A from your liver to your retina, where it is used to make rhodopsin. It also helps protect your eyes from infections and inflammation by supporting your immune system. Zinc may also lower your risk of developing cataracts and macular degeneration by preventing oxidative damage and enhancing the effects of antioxidants in your eyes. Zinc is found in animal foods such as oysters, beef, chicken, and eggs, as well as plant foods, such as beans, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. 5. Lutein and zeaxanthin. Lutein and zeaxanthin are 2 carotenoids that are known as macular pigments because they accumulate in the macula, the central part of your retina that is responsible for sharp and detailed vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin filter out harmful blue light from the sun and artificial sources, such as computer screens or LED lights. They also protect your eyes from oxidative damage and inflammation caused by blue light exposure. Lutein and zeaxanthin may help prevent or delay the onset of cataracts and macular degeneration by preserving your macular health and function. Lutein and zeaxanthin are found in green leafy vegetables, such as kale, spinach, and broccoli, as well as yellow and orange fruits and vegetables, such as corn, squash, and oranges. 6. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are a type of healthy fat that are essential for your eye health. They help maintain the fluidity and function of your cell membranes, especially in your retina. They also have anti-inflammatory properties that may help prevent or reduce the symptoms of dry eyes, glaucoma, and macular degeneration. Omega-3 fatty acids are found in fatty fish, such as salmon, tuna, sardines, and mackerel, as well as fish oil supplements. You can also get omega-3 fatty acids from plant sources, such as flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and soybeans. So these are the top 6 vitamins that you need for your eye health and where to get them from. By eating a balanced diet that includes these vitamins and nutrients, You can improve your vision naturally and prevent or delay the development of common eye diseases. Remember to also protect your eyes from excessive sun exposure by wearing sunglasses and a hat when you go outside. And don't forget to visit your eye doctor regularly for checkups and screenings. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.